Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Benefits by WEX app. So let's get started. So download and install Benefit by WEX app. You have to follow this easy step. So if you are an iOS user, then you will open your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you should must use your Google Play Store. So right here, I will just open my Google Play Store and I will directly search for the app. Go to the search bar and I will directly search for the Benefit by WEX. Okay, so here we can see Benefit by WEX. It's been not available in my country, but it will be available in your country. You can directly click on install and it will directly automatically download and install, and you can use this. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.